With its eye-catching finish and innovative features, this stylish Ecobubble washer-dryer from Samsung will make laundry day effortless. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, a B energy rating, a medium-sized 9 kg drum capacity for washing, and a 6 kg drying capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better washing and drying results. What makes this model unique is Samsung's AddWash door, which is a convenient mini door that lets you add to the wash during the wash. Simply pause the program and open the door to add that lost sock or extra softener. You can even refresh lightly stained items by dropping them in at the end of a cycle for a quick and easy rinse. So, instead of waiting to wash those easy-to-miss items, all your clothes will be ready when you need them. Sensor drying technology gives you perfect drying results each and every time. Simply select the ideal level of dryness, such as the cotton dry option, and clever sensors inside the drum will then monitor moisture levels and end the cycle once your clothes are dry. This helps to protect fabrics and save energy, so it's kinder to your clothes and your utility bills. This stylish Ecobubble washer dryer from Samsung is ideal if you're looking for a model with innovative features to make laundry day effortless.